My sock.
Come on.
My sock. my slipper.
Alright, let me see.
Hey, Bubba.
What's going on, everybody? Today I'm just going to be putting on a custom exhaust, something I fabricated earlier, tried on, sounded good, something, so something happened, so had to take it apart, but now I'm going to put it back on, see what it sounds like. This is a joke. This is a tow hitch in case we got to tow any Hondas or any front wheel drive boys out of the snow. I was trying to get the gasket off, but they're cheap and thin anyways. I'm just gonna put this old one on. Still got a little hint of the old one on there. Got dirty quick. All right, let's see if I run it really rich. Close that. watched the video all the way through. Let me know what your favorite sound was, whether it was the stock exhaust, the custom exhaust, or no exhaust. And depending on what you guys like more, you know, I'll run the bike with that. I won't run it with no header at all or no exhaust, because it's gonna make, you know, it'll fry the valves. The motor will run too lean. So leave a like and a comment for what was your favorite. And if you guys want to see more custom exhaust, let me know. All I gotta do is go pick up some material and get to building. But thank you guys to everybody who likes, subscribe, comments, and shows love already. It means the world. So if you guys could share it with your friends, your families, your aunts, your uncles, hey, even the dogs, they seem to love it too. Let everybody know, because this is only my first build. So thank you guys. Much love to all you who just subscribe and watch already. Have a good day.